What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy icecoldjt in the building. Look, what I got here is a carb shake, real good. You know what I'm saying? It gets you real fat if you want to get fat. But look, if you want to get buff, don't drink this, okay? This shit is definitely not for vegans. See that P word? It looks like it says plant, but in reality it says fat. So look, right here, we got the nice master bedroom right here. This is where everyone, you know what I'm saying, you can sleep, put some cardboard on the floor, lay down real quick, just relax, you know what I'm saying, watch some TV right here. And yeah, just like check out the beautiful food, man. Look at that. Woo! 10 out of 10 for you right there. That's some Hollywood shit. Alright, now, you know what I'm saying, we got the little stove, we got the shampoo, got the body wash. You know what I'm saying? This is where you heat up your food. Hashtag heater. And this, whoo, so warm. Oh my gosh. You know when it's like winter, when it's nice and cold outside, this is a perfect place to be in. Put your head in here, and you're all good. So we got the freezer. Ooh, that shit looks real clean. We got, you know what I'm saying, all that type of shit. Oh, don't forget about, ooh, the refrigerator. All right, but look, guys. So right now we're heading downstairs, so let's get it. Damn, it's bright as fuck. All right, so as you guys can see, this is my room. Woo! I love this. This is my favorite seat. This is where I film all my reaction videos. Like literally, this is my chair. Like on the video, it looks blue, but in reality, it's actually red because it's purple. Damn, this is where I make vlogs though. Like, actually, this is my bed. What am I talking about? This is where I sleep, man. All right, that's beside the point. This is where I pull up. So okay, want to see me? All right, ready? 3, 2, workout video, man. Calm down. Don't get excited. Yeah, my little, you know, my bookshelf. See that? My books right there. Boom, boom. 2 books. Hey, I'm not that big of a reader yet. Hashtag Kabito. So we have here. I think this is like the master bathroom or some shit. But here though, woo, the living room. It's impossible to die in here because it's the living room. But look, literally, this is where people get to sit down and meditate straight up. You know what I'm saying? Like people do backflips off of here. And look, nah, we're not gonna look through there. If you look through there, you're going to jail. Don't get it twisted though. This is the area where I put my food. Like the food that I want to keep cold, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, everyone had that one box where they put their food that needs to be kept cold, you know what I'm saying? Like they have like raw meat or some shit, you need to put it in your closet, right? That's where I put my shit. But look, you know, like if you ever want like sun gauges, come on. Damn, that shit easy. If you can't do it, come on, try it right now. Just look out in the sun right now. Boom, baby. Damn, I mean, that's kind of it with my backyard tour, but let's keep going upstairs though. Yeah, man, that's about it. So at this point, I basically showed you a whole tutorial of the ultimate Minecraft creative room house. But if you guys want to see more, make sure to hit the dislike button. I am feeling kind of warm though, so I kind of got to take off my shirt after this. But besides that, like, come on. If you guys truly enjoyed this video, good things will happen to your dad. I mean, if you don't have a dad, like, just blame your son. All right, man. Just let me drink my water, man. Fuck up, back up, bitch. Damn, it tastes like fresh tomatoes. Some brown too. This dodo. We gotta know what brown, like it's fucking coconut flavor. Like, coconuts are brown as fuck. Damn, man, imagine if chocolate was brown though. Like that'd be fucking insane. Fuck the video. I want to make the video. Like I've been out, man. This video been done, man. Like at this point, if you're still watching, like you're basically astral projecting. Like what the fuck? What are you doing, man? Get back in the 3rd dimension. Why are you in the 4th? Come on, bro. Ain't no big shit up.